And welcome back to another BobBlast. Hi, I'm Bob Burridge, and this one is from my Loosen Up with Aqua Media painting workshops. You know, I've been doing them for so many years here. And so I like to call it 4 years of art school, all jammed into 5 days. As you can see from behind me, we cover all the different subject matters, something for everybody. Okay, I'm out here in my studio, so you're gonna hear birds in the background. It's fantastic. I always like to say in my workshops, if it dissolves in water, we're gonna paint with it. So this one here actually is from day one. We paint a simple subject. We take a simple thing like a pear. I always like to say, if you can paint a pear, you can paint anything, because there is where we're gonna talk about lights and darks and show round shapes and things like that. Lights and darks, where's the light coming from? We throw in the shadow, oh my gosh. And it's how I paint pears anyway. You can paint a pear, you can paint anything. Let's get started. Let me show you how I do it. So this is a demo from day one. Okay, we're gonna do a pear. First thing I do is take a warm tone, like an orange color, and put it all over my watercolor paper. Again, this is a simple thing. We paint a circle. What's a pear? A pear is nothing more than a circle with a triangle on the top. So we paint a ball, triangle on the top, voila, a pear. Let me show you how I get started. I already have my colors already out, ready to go. First thing I'm gonna do is put some orange background. I wipe it in. Paper towel. Let's wipe it in. You see, I'm halfway done. My mid-tone. Great. Now, let's paint a pear. I have my colors already out. I have everything out right now because I have no idea which way I'm going to be going, but I'm going to paint a pear, and that's nothing more than a ball. Look, a ball. You can do that, and a triangle on the top. Voila, done. I'm going to put this ball sitting on a table. Now we have a pear sitting on a table. Big pear. There we go. Sitting on a... So simple. I'm going to give it some personality here a little bit, so it's not a straight up and down triangle. There we go. There we go. Now, that's the shape. Perfect. All I have to be concerned about is, where's the light coming from? Sometimes we do things like this. Put a little arrow on the side. So that's where the light's coming from. So imagine this pear sitting in a really dark room. It's going to be very dramatic. So let's put some short, choppy strokes. There we go. Very dramatic. Let some of that orange peek through. That's what gives it its personality a little bit. Here, right? There's your dark. While I still have that dark on my brush, I'm going to put it on this side of the pear. Oh, look at this. Again, this is just one of the things that we do on day one. We paint lots of different subjects, single subjects. Look, dark, light, dark, light. Now I'm going to anchor it. There's the shadow. That helps the viewer to know which way the light's coming from. I had the darks in. Now let's work in the lights. There we go. Some lights out here too. Let's add some color. Now we start to add some color. Whoa. Short, choppy strokes. Let's add some color down in here even. Wow. This is crazy. Crazy good, right? Lighten up the table a little bit. See, I do all my mixing on the table. Don't do the mixing on here. There we go. This is just a simple pear. Oh, it's got all kinds of personality, right? Table in the back. Shadow. Come in with some highlights. Really, what I have here is, from day one of the demos, of many subjects we'll be working on day one. Look at that. Look at that. Short, choppy strokes. It's all about loosening up, not tightening up. We all know how to tighten up. This is about loosening up with aqua media. There we go. As I say, if it dissolves in water, we're going to paint with it. Look at that. Cool. Give it a little bit of bling bling. Make sure it's really sitting down here. Work with my fingers sometimes. Whoa, look at this. Oh, gotta get the stem up in here. There's this. Well, oh, let's make it even more dramatic. There we go. Whew. So what we have here is dark against light, dark against light. One of the many demos we do during my Loosen Up with Aqua Media painting workshops. I can't wait to see you at all those workshops. Let's get painting. Hey, you're still here, and so am I, so let me take this opportunity to tell you about my Loosen Up workshops. You know, my Loosen Up workshops were developed a long time ago for two kinds of artists, those who are just beginning and just needed to know, I need some basic steps, and for those of us who have been painting for a long time and stuck in the style and just wanted a kick in the butt and, you know, come and take one of my Loosen Up workshops. You know, and it moves quickly. There's a lot of fun. We do a lot of different subject matters, as you can tell from some of the subjects I have behind me. We make it all up. It's a great fun time. And I'm all over the United States. And here are some locations where I'm going to be doing some of these Loosen Up workshops. Here are some of them. Pencils out. Okay, April 1 to 6, Scotts Valley, California at 1448 Multiversity. Can't wait to go there. It's a really unique place. Check it out. May 3rd to 5, Visual Artists Alliance of Springfield, Missouri. Another great place, okay? Check that one out. June 10 to the 16th, Dillman's, Lac du Flambeau, up there in Wisconsin. They're the people that take me to Paris, Cuba, all over the place. They got a great resort. I love going there because they have the cabins, the kitchens. They take care of us. The lake's there. We can go out on a boat ride if we want. It's just fantastic. I call them paintcations for me. And yet I'm painting late at night if you want to. Great place. Wonderful people. They take care of us. They've been doing this for a long time. August 6th to the 10th, Mendocino Arts Center. You know how much I love to talk about Mendocino Arts Center. All about loosening up. September 4 to 7, North Valley Art League in Redding, California. You know, I think that's enough. Pencils down. There'll be a test in the morning. Hey, thanks for watching Loosen Up workshops. I've been doing it for a long time, and I love doing them. I can't wait to see you there. Take care.